you ever had one of those days where you just feel like your brain has 47 tabs open? One of them is focused on work, one of them might be focused on school, one of them is coming up with a business idea that you had at 2 a.m., and every single one of those ideas is bouncing around your head demanding attention. You're not unproductive, you're just mentally overloaded. So in this video, we're talking about 5 free mind mapping tools that you can use to help you be better productive and kind of just get all of your stuff onto paper so that you're able to think about it more clearly. So here's the thing that works with mind mapping apps, in my opinion, that the reason that I think that they're so cool. Your brain does not think in means of sticky notes. It thinks in means of connections. And that's why a lot of the feedback that I get on this channel is that people find it difficult to adopt a project management system because it's very linear thinking as opposed to mind mapping that allows you to kind of explore the connections between one idea and another. So instead of thinking in a linear function, we're going to start thinking in 3D, and let's get into the list. The first one is my all-time favorite, and this is Miro. If you've ever filled a wall with sticky notes, this is the digital version of that. Miro is kind of just a giant whiteboard where you can put all your thoughts down and just kind of see them all in one place. You get a blank whiteboard where you can drag, drop, connect notes visually. You can group them by color, add arrows, images, flowcharts, and even embed PDFs or web links. It's collaborative, meaning that you and your team or your classmates can brainstorm live and in real time. You'll literally see their cursors move as they add ideas. And on the free plan, you get 3 editable boards, which is more than enough space for personal or business projects. Here's why Miro works. It's intuitive, it's visual, and it's flexible. Whether you're building a class presentation, designing a new workflow, or just trying to get organized, Miro gives all of your thoughts a home. The second tool is MindMeister, and this is probably the closest tool that you can get to actual mind mapping. When you open it, you're greeted with a simple node, your main idea. And from there, you can hit tab to add branches, you can hit enter to add sub-branches, and then watch your ideas fully unfold. It's perfect for people who don't need the bells and whistles, they just need the clarity. And the free plan, like Miro, gives you access to 3 kind of spaces. The nice thing with MindMeister is the spaces are unlimited, so you can use as much of that as you need. Why I love MindMeister: it is minimalist, it is very simple, and it doesn't overwhelm you from the beginning. And unlike some tools that kind of overcomplicate mind mapping, MindMeister actually makes it very simple to get started, keep your ideas organized, and be able to just get clarity without a lot of grunt work. The third tool is Milanote. And if you are a visual thinker, this tool is going to be perfect for you. It's kind of like a digital mood board, except for your brain. You can mix text, images, sticky notes, links, checklists, even YouTube videos all in one canvas. It's like dumping every random thought, reference, and inspiration into a space that feels beautiful and organized. What's great about it is it's free and you can use up to 100 notes, which I think is more than enough for most people. The interface is really smooth, which I think helps with kind of organizing complex thoughts. The fourth tool is Notion, and this is a tool that I have talked about on my channel a lot. You might be thinking Notion isn't necessarily a mind mapping tool, but hear me out. The real power in Notion is the relational thinking. So you can link pages or connect databases and create toggles. It's like mind mapping, but it grows in every single direction. So here's how to use it for brain dumping if you're interested in that: is you can create a page called an idea hub, and every time something pops in your mind, you can drop it in as a note. Then once a week, you can open up the hub and start connecting the dots, maybe linking related ideas, grouping them under projects, or tagging them by priority. And you can even visualize the things in the galleries, the boards, and the calendar views. And if you're more of a type A person, that brain dump can then transition into a project management system. I have a love-hate relationship with Notion. I love it because there's so much that you can do with it, and I also hate it because there's so much that you can do with it. If you are a Notion lover, or you're someone who likes to have tools that are able to fill out all of the things all at once, Notion is going to be a good fit for you. The fifth tool, and I hope that I say this correctly, is Excalidraw. If you love simplicity, this one is for you. You don't even have to sign up, which I think is brilliant. You just open the site and start sketching. You can draw boxes, connect them with arrows, write quick notes, and it automatically saves locally or to the cloud if you would prefer. This is perfect for those who just want to think out loud, and when you don't want to set up a template or a system and you just want to immediately get started and think. What's fun is you can start without having to create any logins, but then you can also collaborate with people and add them into your board as soon as you start. So if you have something that you're kind of messing around with and you're like, oh, I want to share that with a coworker, you can hit share and it's all available. So here's the big takeaway. If you are tired of using project management systems, or you're just not really a linear thinker and you want to have something to digitally put all your information in, these 5 tools are going to be a really great fit for you, and they are all free. If you're looking for other tools to help you kind of get organized, check out this video that I made about the 5 to-do lists, 5 free to-do lists that you can use starting today. And with that, I will see you on the next one.